What's up guys, it's Dusky coming to you today with a short video. Today we're talking about how to get a custom thumbnail onto your YouTube video. The first thing to do that has nothing to do with YouTube is you need to make a custom thumbnail. I made a video on this a little while back. I'll link it up there, I think. So you'll be able to go see it, check it out. If you do find value in that video and in this video, please do drop a subscription for me. Now let's jump on in. Once you have your beautiful, amazing looking custom thumbnail up and going and ready to be put on there, and you need to figure out exactly how to do this. When you first make that video and you get it uploaded onto YouTube and you have your beautiful thumbnail, YouTube is going to give you an option of these thumbnails that look a lot like this. They're crap, they look terrible, they're not good looking at all. These are not the thumbnails that you want to use on your videos. It's a terrible idea. It does not make your video clickable at all. So we're gonna fix that, obviously. So first things first, you're gonna go to this home screen, go up here, click on your little icon up here in the top right, go to YouTube Studio. That's gonna bring up your YouTube Studio. You'll be able to see all your innards of your channel here. Go on over to content, click on that, find the video that you want to add that custom thumbnail to. For this one, it's kind of a fake video, it's not a real one, but what you're going to do is you're going to go into details, click on that, you'll go down to here, so you have your options for those ugly thumbnails that we were talking about earlier. From here you have two choices. You can either click and drag a nice looking thumbnail onto here and you'll be able to drop it there just like that, nice and easy. Or you have the option to go to the upload thumbnail, click on that, go to wherever it is that your thumbnails are. I'll go to where mine is here, click that, click open, and it pops it right on in there for you. Once you do that, you can go ahead and hit save after you've done all of your everything else with this, and you're good to go. Now keep in mind, once you put that thumbnail in, you can go in and change it if you need to, if you come up with a better thumbnail, if you have some sort of crazy epiphany that says, hey, let me go make this thumbnail different. How you do that is you go in here, click three dots there, it will pop up as change, click that, and then it'll bring you right back to where you were before, and you go to where your thumbnail is and change it. Click open and you are good to go. Once you get back to this screen, you'll of course click save, and your video will have that custom thumbnail. So there you have it, folks. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, no sweat at all. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, go take a look around the channel, see if you see something that you like. If you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to put out 3 videos a week here, filled with content for new YouTubers and new streamers to help them grow. As always, be sure to go check out all my socials down in the description, and y'all have a fantastic day.